What's up, y'all? It's Crypto Kenzie, man. Man, y'all already know what time it is. It's time for crypto and culture. Let's go. All right. What's going on, crypto cousins? It's your Bitcoin baby daddy here with another episode of Crypto and Culture. Ooh, ha, okay. Ooh. So, today, no special, no funny jokes, no special editing or anything like that. We're just gonna get to right into some numbers, right into some charts. Yen doing this thing. Doing this thing on here in yen. People buying that Bitcoin up. But yeah, buy that Bitcoin up. Fuck you thought this was. Anyways, y'all. Alright, so this has been a minute since my last market update. I think my last market update was like somewhere around here. But as we can see, I drew this trend line a while back. You can see the same trend line on my last video where I was talking about Chris Hogan, and he was trying to tell people not to buy Bitcoin right here, and for every person that didn't buy, take this motherfucking L. Well, let me stop cursing. I'm trying to not curse as much, guys. Maybe not as much. I'm gonna still curse, but not as much. But take this L, y'all. Just take this L. Yeah, so right now if we zoom in, people screaming. We touched this 9,000, 1,100 twice. Ooh. And it looks like we made it like essentially like twice as like support. So pretty much $9,000 is like support. We didn't even see $8,000 yet. Now that's not to say that this little uptrend isn't going to turn into what this was. But if we look at all these other, like if we look at the RSI, we tend to, more likely than often than not, who knows what I'm saying, but we tend more likely than not, when we're over here around this like 40-ish area, we tend to bounce off of it and go up, and instead of break it and go down, at least to my analysis is the right word. I think analysis is the right word, but let me put this auto back on so that way that can stay straight. But also, if we're also looking, and we're looking at the daily chart right now, just I like looking at the daily. I like looking at how it moves day to day. If you know what I'm saying, I like to look at it day to day. Like people like to look at the 4 hour and 1 hour. Oh, this is, hey, look, man, that's just too much. Day to day, what we've been doing day to day. So as we see this trend line, we broke this trend line a while back, like near the 25th of July, more like about the 25th of July, 26th of July, and we've been hovering under it, and then now we literally bounced back. So if I can zoom in on this thing right here, and now we're trying to find it and trying to use it as support, which is really good. It's crazy how these like numbers really do just be following these trend lines, and like a lot of people be using these trend lines to make they quote unquote trades and whatnot. But also, if we're looking at the MACD, we were trending downwards for a while, and this curvature, when we hit this little curvature, it's essentially was telling you like this is a buy opportunity, because it looks like we staying stable and people look like they want to buy. So now we have our first green candle, and the first green candle can indicate a larger move up. But like I said, we had these lighter red candles heading down. That was pretty much a sign that like, hey bro, we cool off. I know we had them here before, but you always want to wait, wait until you finally get that indicator that like, hey, we flipping. But so right now we're sitting at 10,000, almost 10,500, like, so 10,497 bit stamp, and we're looking pretty good. We're looking to make this line support, and it's the weekend, y'all, so everything wild happens over the weekend. I'm telling you, wild stuff happens over the weekend. That's why I be hating looking at charts on the weekend, because you don't know what's gonna happen. But yeah, that's pretty much just like the market analysis. My thoughts, I think we're gonna stay on this line for a little bit, and then not until like next Wednesday till we get like a super big move, because markets move big Wednesdays, Fridays, and weekends. So that's just my opinion, y'all. You take it or leave it as you want. But this video's been floating around a while, And you know, for my audience, because I know not everyone in my audience is in tune to like all the crypto stuff that be going on. So let me just play this for y'all real quick.
And maybe another way to ask my question is, if the United States were to decide, and I'm not saying that it should, but if the United States were to decide we didn't want cryptocurrency to happen in the United States and tried to ban it, I'm pretty confident we couldn't succeed in doing that because this is a global innovation. But how would a company that wants to create a cryptocurrency that has global reach get into the United States, or how would that impact the United States? You see the question I'm asking?
So you guys get the point of what he just said. You feel me? Let me go ahead, flip back over here. Just me. Are we transitioning? All right, y'all. So y'all get the idea, guys. The U.S. government understands that they cannot stop this, that they cannot like ban it, because if you look through history, we've already seen that, like, oh, they try to ban marijuana, what happens? The price goes up. A couple of years later, now you got entrepreneurs starting startups and stuff. They try to ban liquor, what happens? All the rich people stocked up on their liquor and started having liquor parties and making hella money and becoming bootleggers. Wasn't it like, wasn't the Rothschilds like bootleggers and whatnot, and made like millions off of people getting drunk and depressed? So they understand that banning something, and let's be honest, China's banned and India's banned crypto, and now that stuff is booming over there. So they understand that this is not something they ban, but they trying to cool it. They trying to like massage it, like, hey, let's massage into this crypto. Like, how do we we don't want everybody getting rich. We only want some people getting rich. So, how do we make it to like only some people get rich? And the thing is, like, that is not gonna work. That's not how this technology works. You get in now, or you don't get, or get in later. Make your choice, honestly. But I ain't trying to make this video too long. We already like 7 minutes in, and that's too long because I know y'all bored as hell. Please, in the comments below, tell me what you think about my technical analysis, or tell me what you think about these charts. I try to do these like it's DCF Fridays, y'all. DCF, Department of Children and Families Fridays, or dollar cost Fridays. Pretty much Fridays is where Wednesdays and Fridays you dollar cost. Every paycheck you put in whatever you can afford to put in and just watch it ride, man. You feel me? Just watch it ride. But let me know in the comment sections below. Are you dollar cost averaging? Let me know. Are you dollar cost averaging? Also, leave a thumbs up. Also, subscribe. Also, share this video. I'm trying to grow. You feel me? I need to grow. Other than that, check me out next time. Take it easy. Peace.